So now we are going to study Shashanks and anti-Shashanks of everything. C Shashank जो मैंने बोर्ड पे अभी बनाया था. C Shashank means C generally represents or signifies socializing. First point is very sorted. अब हमारे जो भी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होगी वो सोशलाइजिंग से रिलेटेड होगी, विच इज ऑल्सो सॉर्टेड. तो इनमें हम गर्ल्स के लिए कुछ एनालिसिस होगा, बॉयज के लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स होंगे इन एनालिसिस. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. अगर सी शशांक गर्ल्स में दिखता है तो वी गेट टू नो दैट दे गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर फादर. ऑब्वियसली ऑपोजिट सेक्स है, तो इफ बॉयज में दिखता है तो दे गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर मदर, गर्ल्स में दिखता है दे गेट इट फ्रॉम देयर फादर. सॉर्टेड टिल हियर. Their father has always forced them, enforce this in their minds that they need to behave. They come from a good family, they have a name in the society, they need to have table manners, they need to know what to talk when, what to say when, like, in which situation. They are always they are always well behaved, they have good table manners, and they always are very polite and believe in saying sorry, thank you. कुछ ऐसी गर्ल्स होती है ना जिनको एकदम सोफिस्टिकेटेड वे में पाला होता है, एंड देयर फादर्स आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद देयर सच टेबल मैनर्स एंड बिहेवियर एंड डिसिप्लिन. These are such girls. They think they're always well mannered and perfectionist. These girls are usually approached by boys because obviously looking at their behavior patterns, they get it from their dad. So obviously वो कहीं ना कहीं रिवेंज एंड हेट्रेड की जो इमोशन होती है वो डैड से रिलेटेड ज्यादा होती है. So obviously they would be boys would be very amused by them. So they're usually approached by boys, most prone to eve teasing and other related mishaps. When I say other related mishaps, it could be crime, murder, like rape, because they believe in getting themselves into such situations. Here I'm not blaming any girl. Being a girl, I'm not talking about feminism or any blame game, but I'm just saying that if they are being eve teased or something, they somewhere like, okay, yeah, right, they make the first moves in such things. Then yes, abuse boys मैं जिसकी बात कर रही थी, because they get it from their father, they have love-hate relationship with the opposite sex, so they will abuse boys. They will do anything. Obviously father के against hatred है, so they will do anything to tarnish the name of the family or father's ego. They usually run away and get married to the boys who are either very young to them, like supposedly 10-15 younger, or older to them, who is not of their same caste or community, ताकि अपने डैड का नेम खराब हो. They will run away and get married to such families जहाँ पे their social standards are lower than what their dad is, or the financial situation. In general वो लोग ऐसे लड़के के साथ शादी करेंगे जिनके बारे में उनको पता है उनके पेरेंट्स उसके लिए कभी अप्रूव नहीं करेंगे. That is how they think they will be ruining the name of the family and their dad. They want to crush their dad's ego under any circumstance. If they are forced into arranged marriage, they will do all the drama and make sure they break the connection they have with their husbands. They would end up, or they would be the one who would be dominating in the family. That I will tell my mother-in-law to do like this, sister-in-law like this, I'll make my husband do this. वो हस्बैंड पे जो अत्याचार वाला हमारा स्लोगन वाला आया है ना, वो सब ऐसे हस्बैंड से ही आया है, मैं जानती हूँ. बाय द टाइम दे रीच द एज ऑफ 45-50, ऑब्वियसली इनके ऐसे बिहेवियर की वजह से लोग पहले तो इनका कुछ नहीं करते थे, बट आफ्टर दे रीच द एज ऑफ 45-50, पीपल आर सो यूज्ड टू देयर सच बिहेवियर दैट लोग इनको लेबल करते हैं, एंड देयर नेम, फेम, एवरीथिंग गेट्स रूइंड. These girls desire to make a career in modeling or acting, and they might have tried it in some phase of their lives. So this was about girls. Girls का behavior कैसे होगा, सोसाइटी में उनका नाम कैसे होगा, उसके बारे में हमें यहाँ पता चलता है. बट अगर आपके पास क्लाइंट आएगा तो आप उन्हें ये सब बताओगे क्या? नहीं. You will frame it in a very nice way. If the client is unmarried, you can say that, ma'am, there are high chances of you having a love marriage. And the marriage is not going to be easy. It is going to be somewhere outside your caste or community. Ma'am, you need to take your decisions regarding marriage very carefully. You cannot tell them, ma'am, I know you are going to abuse boys. Don't say that. So when it comes to boys में क्या होता है? Obviously they get it from their mother. ऑल्सो यहाँ पे भी ये आपको पूरा नोट्स का स्लाइड आपको ही मिलने वाला है, एंड आई हैव स्पोकन टू बिट क्लास एंड दे टोल्ड मी इट इज अप टू मी, सो आई विल बी गिविंग यू ऑल दीज नोट्स बाय टुमारो और मैक्सिमम डे आफ्टर टुमारो, बिकॉज कुछ कुछ चीजें है तो आप इन्हीं का प्रिंट आउट लेके इन्हीं में लिख सकते हो. Because the spirituality one, graphotherapy one, I want you all to take the printout and write it there and then. Okay, so first I will be teaching you all everything, then I'll be teaching you all the advanced level signature analysis, then I will be teaching you all spirituality wala, then we will go graphotherapies, and the last one we will do is drawing analysis. Drawing analysis is my favorite, but at the same time kind of lengthy. Okay, boys get it from their mother. Mom has always been strict and told them to behave properly. Exactly, जो girls में dad बोलते थे behave properly, behave properly. Here, mom is strict and she tells the boys to behave properly. Such boys are well mannered and very good in their approach. They find ways to insult girls. Okay, these are such boys जो बोलते हैं कि girls का काम तो kitchen में होता है. What are they doing here in the corporate world? They are not made for it. They are not fit for it. Like, you should go and handle your kitchen, wipe your floors. Such boys. They are very dominating in a relationship or marriage, just like the girls. In a relationship, first 3 months are always good. They dress well, they behave very properly with you, they display all sort of chivalry, like, sorry, I'll take the bill, I'll drop you home, I'll pick you from there, don't worry. Then after those 3 months pass, उनको पता है लड़की अभी फंस गई है. After that, they will show their true colors. That is abusing them, insulting them, बार-बार उन्हें टोकना. When they get married, they usually get girls from either very poor or very, very, very rich families so that they can control their wives as well as the mother. Or they together can control the mother because उसको कहीं ना कहीं mom से revenge तो लेना ही है. Their behavior is the same throughout their lives. It does not change. Just like girls at the age of 45, 50, people start knowing them and that is how they start insulting them. And वो insult की वजह से सोच के कहीं ना कहीं वो उसी चीज से मर भी जाते हैं. Either they are killed for something they might have done to the girls, or they die in their sleep having anxiety or strokes, maybe thinking about the same thing. They usually tend to be pilots or join the army because of being the well-behaved, well-disciplined person. Okay, so this was about C. Shashank. Any doubts up till now? We'll go ahead. Now we will see C. Narrow. हमने बेसिक लेवल में किया था नैरो सी. अभी उसके बारे में उसके एडिशन में थोड़े और ट्रेट्स पड़ेंगे. नैरो सी इज दिस गाइस. आई जस्ट शो यू ऑल अगेन. दिस इज द सी. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस दे हैव दिस लाइक स्ट्रेट लाइन थोड़ा जैसा लगता है. दिस इज नैरो सी. Narrow C is the same for girls and boys both. This usually happens when the child does not get enough attention from his dad, or maybe the dad and the child, they share a very formal relationship. The person hates socializing, or the person, किसी किसी को fear होता है crowd का. The people who hate socializing because they are very scared of it. Stage fright is the just very initial stage. वो लोगों को anxiety attacks आते हैं उससे. They start panicking. They start getting finicky. They start, even puking is one of the things. They would even start vomiting, या वो anxiety की वजह से कभी कभी उन्हें fever भी आ जाएगा crowd को देखे, या कभी उन्हें actually socialize करना ही पड़े तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं fever आ जाता है. This is like an extreme case, but basic में ये होता है कि they start getting panic होते हैं वो लोग. fever आना, vomit करना is a very extreme thing. Okay,